Investing. I'm your host, Andrei, Angelkovski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. We're here in Leslieville with Lukasz. How you doing, Lukasz?
Good, how are you, Andrei?
Good. You picked the coldest day of the year so far. And we are standing in front of the house that Lukasz just purchased. It's the semi-detached house right here. We're going to show you the before, and we will talk to you about what we're going to do with this house, and then eventually you see the progress, and then eventually the final reveal. So take us through. Let's go. Okay, so it's this. Nothing's working in this house. Like the hydro's working, but the heat's not working. Okay, main floor.
Yes.
What do you plan to do? Like, the whole project. What?
So we're going to probably convert this into a triplex, a legal triplex. Main floor, one unit, upstairs another unit, and then basement obviously another unit, right? With a walk-up probably from the back.
Okay, and do you plan on doing any additions?
Yeah, a little addition to the back, maybe about 10 feet. We also might be doing a third floor bedroom with a bathroom in there. So yeah, we are planning to go back on another 10 feet or so to the house.
That would help maybe add for 2 bedrooms per unit versus just having the existing room for just 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what this looks like. So I guess you plan on making a dividing point here.
That's right, yeah. So from the front, upstairs, from the back will be the entrance to the main floor, and then the basement will be from the walk-up in the back.
So 3
Yeah. So like a little, I guess a wall down here, bedroom, and the kitchen, something like that.
And the addition will be the family.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on over here and take a look. It's really in bad, poor condition.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Hasn't been really lived in. It's this is maybe something that you maybe plan on preserving. Maybe some stuff here.
Yeah, definitely the cabinets.
Yeah, that's good. You can paint them and stuff. I guess we can just take a look at the backyard and maybe speak to that.
Yeah, let's go.
So back out here. It's okay. I'll stand in the cold. You have an access for a parking spot here.
Yeah.
But what else can you do potentially?
We can do a laneway. What's that called?
Laneway housing. So it's
Laneway housing. Yeah.
So it's still, they are allowed. They are allowed.
Yeah.
But there's still not a lot of rules or regulations behind it. So I guess you might try for it.
Yes, we will try definitely. Yeah. We're gonna try. So yeah, something like that in the back over there. Yeah, parking for 1 or 2.
Yeah.
If we could try for 2, we'll try for 2. If not, then definitely park in the back. Yeah. Okay, so that's the plan in the back.
And then that access ways through this area here. All right, let's go inside. I'd really like to go see the basement because I heard that's a really nice part of the house.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let's go see this basement. So you have to underpin?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we got to underpin. So a bit short, it's like probably 6, so yeah, probably another 2 feet, 2.5 feet we're gonna go down. Yeah, definitely.
This is a house that is not really like your other one where you're gonna have to lift the house and dig out a new basement. You can just underpin this basement and go from there.
Yeah.
But making the addition would be
definitely be definitely need that since it's pretty tight up here. You can see the space, it's really small in the basement, so yeah, we're definitely gonna go back as far as we possibly can, 10-15 feet. Yeah, it's pretty tight place, narrow, short.
Well, it's good to see the before.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a gorgeous apartment when it's all done.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, let's go see the top floor. So as we approach the top level, there's obviously lots of walls.
Yeah.
It would be nice to kind of, as you walk up, you either have the open concept as
Yes.
kitchen, family room here,
Yeah.
and bedroom in the back,
Yeah.
or the opposite, kitchen, family room,
Yeah.
bedrooms, and then another floor if you plan on doing that.
Yeah.
To try to achieve the 3 bedrooms.
Yeah.
So that would
Yeah, that's definitely a
some
plan.
good
Yeah.
rents.
Huh?
That would fetch you some good rents.
Yeah. And yeah, definitely going back a little bit. Another 10, 15 feet. Right? So as you can see, you know, try to maximize the space as possible, right?
Yeah.
Just to, you know, so it's nice and spacious and comfortable and nothing's, so it won't be too tight.
All right, let's go see the final bedroom here. This is very nice. It's you know, it's retro style. It's good colors. Maybe you can watch
Andrei, we'll save the toilet for you.
I hope so.
Alright? You can put it in your ensuite. I'm sure your wife wouldn't mind it. Alright, it's downtown.
So overall, we're in Leslieville. We're in a semi-detached house. This is your typical house that you'd find here. The way to make this into a profitable income property is to find a place like this and create the legal triplex. To put the money in, to make it legal, and to rent them out, and it will cash flow positive. So what is your estimated budget to renovate this? Now I know it depends on whether you go up, whether you go back, whether you do the laneway house, but let's just say you just intend to go back and up in a full renovation to make it a legal triplex. Estimated
350 to 4,
Okay.
I'm hoping. Alright.
And then
Timeline?
timeline.
About a year.
Okay.
So by next January, by Christmas,
Okay.
it should be all complete with renters in, hopefully.
Perfect.
Right?
All right.
So that's pretty much it.
You anticipating challenges, issues to come up with this? There's always challenges and
There's always
issues.
challenges and stuff like that.
We are always up for the challenge.
Yeah, I love challenges.
All right, buddy.
Alright.
Congratulations.
Alright.
I look forward to the progress.
Thank you.
All right.